Guys, it's Cooking with Renee again, and I'm going to be doing some roasted vegetable medley with some carrots, red radish, red onion, yellow squash, green zucchini, and some red cherry tomatoes. In a bowl, I'm going to go ahead and start with the radish and carrots because they're more of a dense vegetable, and we want to start those roasting first. I'm using some avocado oil, just a tiny bit. You don't want to get them too soggy. And I found this seasoning. It's Himalayan pink salt, black pepper, and garlic from Walmart. It's by McCormick, not sponsored. Wish. But this medley right here, because the flakes are so thick, it just tastes amazing. So if you guys are ever at Walmart and you find this, try it on some vegetables. It's so good. So while I'm doing this, I put the oven at 400 degrees and I put in the roasting pan in the oven so that it started to get hot before I added my vegetables. So I put those aside and I went ahead and cut up my zucchini, yellow squash, red onion, and I'm going to just do the same thing. Drizzle in some avocado oil, and a bunch of the seasoning because I have a lot more vegetables in here, so I dumped a lot in there. And you're going to just mix it together. Now with the sizzling pan, I'm going to go ahead and add in just the radish and carrots for now. And I'm going to put those in for about 5 to 10 minutes. Up to you on how dense you want those. After 5 to 10 minutes, I went ahead and added the rest of vegetables, and hopefully you can hear the sizzling sound to this because it's amazing. And you want to just spread it out so it's one even layer, and I added a little more seasoning. Again, I use a lot of the seasoning, not gonna lie. Then I'm going to go ahead and roast these for about 25 minutes. And about that 25 minutes is when I'm going to add the cherry tomatoes on top. You don't want to put those in with everything because you want them to still be a little bit, hold their shape so that when you do eat them, they just pop in your mouth. So amazing. So go ahead and just pop that back in for maybe another 10 minutes. It's up to you on how dense you want your vegetables. I like mine still a little al dente, which is a little bit hard in the center. Still give it a little bit of a crunch, but I still like that crispiness that the roast gives. So just give it some time, and you could just keep checking it at this point on how well you want your vegetables. But I'm telling you, that combination with those seasonings, it's to die for. Just the thickness of the pepper and the garlic, it smells amazing. It just smells the whole house up. I made these for Christmas and it was a beautiful color of vegetables. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Please give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and subscribe, and I will talk to you guys later. Bye.